Welcome to part 1 of our comprehensive field guide. We're dedicating 10 minutes to laying the foundation for your expertise in building automation. This episode dives deep into the mission-critical systems, HVAC, BMS, and IBMS. You'll learn not just what they are, but why they are at the center of modern building operations, sustainability, and efficiency. Every modern building is a machine, a complex, living organism of steel, glass, and power. But a machine of this scale has a fundamental challenge: its enormous appetite for energy, its complex needs for occupant comfort and safety. In this series, we'll explore the elegant solution that engineers use to tackle this challenge. This isn't just a training video. It's a field guide to the hidden intelligence that makes modern buildings work. We're starting with the mission-critical trinity: HVAC, BMS, and IBMS. First, let's establish the bedrock of it all, the HVAC system. An acronym for heating, ventilation, and air conditioning. It's the engine that powers the building's environment. Heating. This is what keeps us warm in the winter. Systems like boilers or furnaces generate heat, which is then distributed throughout the building, often via water or air. Cooling. This keeps us cool in the summer. It's the most energy-intensive part of the system, relying on large-scale chillers that produce chilled water to cool the building. Ventilation. This is the critical function of moving air. It's about more than just circulating air. It's about pulling in fresh outdoor air, filtering it, and exhausting stale indoor air. Filtering it, and exhausting stale indoor air. This is crucial for maintaining indoor air quality, controlling humidity, and preventing the buildup of airborne pathogens and pollutants. But how do you manage such a complex system? That's where the BMS, the Building Management System, comes in. The BMS is the command center. Comes in. The BMS is the command center. It unifies a disconnected web of equipment under a single digital brain. At the heart of every BMS is the control loop. It's a simple but powerful cycle. Sensors. These are the eyes and ears of the system, constantly gathering data on temperature, pressure, humidity, and airflow. Controllers. These are the microprocessors that take data from the sensors, analyze it against a programmed logic, and make a decision. Actuators. These are the muscles that execute the controller's command, such as opening a valve, starting a fan, or adjusting a damper. This automated, continuous loop is what allows a BMS to optimize performance, eliminate waste, and maintain precision control over the building's environment. Now, let's talk about the evolution, IBMS. The I stands for integrated, and it represents a paradigm shift in building automation. While a standard BMS primarily focuses on HVAC, an IBMS connects every major system in the building onto a single unified platform. Think of the power of this integration. Fire safety. If a fire alarm is triggered, the IBMS can automatically shut down the HVAC in that zone to prevent smoke spread, while simultaneously turning on emergency lighting and unlocking doors. Security. Access control can be linked to the lighting system, ensuring lights only turn on when a specific employee badge is used to enter a room. Energy optimization. The IBMS can link occupancy data from security sensors to HVAC controls, automatically reducing cooling in a conference room that has been empty for 15 minutes. This creates a smarter, safer, and more responsive building ecosystem. As engineers, your expertise in this domain is mission critical. You are not just operating equipment. You are the diagnostician, the strategist, and the optimizer. You will use these systems to monitor and diagnose. You will learn to read the data, identify performance issues, and troubleshoot faults remotely. Optimize performance. You will continuously fine-tune settings to maximize energy efficiency without sacrificing comfort. Ensure compliance. You will use the system's data to meet regulatory standards and sustainability goals. Mastering these systems is what sets a good engineer apart. It's the difference between reactive maintenance and proactive intelligent management. So, to conclude this foundational episode, HVAC is the system for heating, cooling, and ventilation. BMS is the brain that controls the HVAC system and other key components. IBMS is the next step, integrating all building systems into one comprehensive platform. This is the foundation upon which your career in building automation will be built. HVAC is the system for heating, cooling, and ventilation. BMS is the brain that controls the HVAC system and other key components. IBMS is the next step, integrating all building systems into one comprehensive platform. This is the foundation upon which your career in building automation will be built. The brain needs a body, and in our next episode, we're getting into the hardware. We'll take you inside the chiller room to meet the engines of the system, the chillers, air handling units, and pumps. You'll learn what they look like, what they do, and how they all connect. Don't miss part 2. If you're ready to master this field, hit that subscribe button to get notified for the next video. Like this video if you found it valuable, and leave your questions in the comments below.